God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong. You, Charlie, make a left hand for there. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Akola Masudi, the Gist Nation President. As I talk, you read, the Gist don't quit. It gets late. Welcome to another episode of Hype TV SMS. Yes, stories they ground. Where as it they ground, I for go take and give you because you know, say Charlie, that be my work. I for follow the story as it did they happen. Then I go take and give you solid one. Yes, don't go near Shambalama. Yes, if you follow the internet right now, you go see say right now Ghana the what do you call the system they job, everything they work, everything they happen. If you fuck up, they go. Then you Shambalama. Yes, so over the week, ma stories near the over the weekend stories near the can you near someone chanted stories and can song. Probably you didn't see those stories, but it happened. As it happened, you don't know. I for make you know say this be what happened and this is what is going on in the country at the moment. Yes, my name is Akola Masori. As I talk, if you are watching for the first time, do well and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my reaction. Yes. So going into today's story, yes, FDA suspends Tasty Tom Dama manufacturing license. Then at this particular season, we are just revoking anybody where know they work, any company where know they work. And no matter who you be, if you know they work like you supposed to work, we go suspend your license. Then yes. So FDA nya info shaban you know we need to check at the pattern our wives and our sisters and our mothers in the kitchen that they should know that right now Tasty Tom's operational license has been suspended. That be the word. Yes, Tasty Tom's license has been manufacturing license has been suspended due to poor manufacturing processes and facility because Tasty Tom be some brand way Charlie. If you go the whole Ghana inside, you go see anywhere for any shop, any grocery shop inside you enter, you go see Tasty Tom them canned products for inside. Yes, so the Food and Drugs Board has conducted an investigation for them manufacturing processes, and they have noticed that Charlie, so many things are going on not right at that particular manufacturing manufacturing facility. No, they are going to suspend their license for manufacturing because most of their products are not of standard like they used to be. I'll go ahead and read the press statement that was released yesterday by Ghana Food and Drug Board Authority suspending that particular brand license. And I'll let you know the reasons behind why they were being suspended or their license were being suspended. Yes, so it's the press release it. Yes, press release. FDA suspend the manufacturer license of Tasty Tom tomato mixed. Yes, Accra, August 3rd, 2025, the Food and Drug Board Authority FDA has suspended the manufacture of Tasty Tom enriched tomato paste mixed with immediate effect. A market recall of all canned Tasty Tom enriched tomato products and specific batches of the product in pouches into brackets. The 380 grams and the 1.05 kg pouches was earlier detected by the FDA. The suspension follows consumer complaints and FDA investigations of Nutri-Foods Ghana Limited, that is the manufacturers of the Tasty Tom, and manufacturing plants, which are established in infractions on the standards and quality maintenance of critical manufacturing equipment was poor, and monitoring systems were inadequate to protect public health and safety. Don't kunye shambalama. Yes. So ne come and the island ne come Tasty Tom no nyala ba mal bad products ma de kan in different forms. Shanga be ne kunkwana ne ka shanga be porchinum ne yala sachet ones ma tumbo ne shanga sachet ones ma me the mala sizes, and they are saying that the particular sachet ones most of them the processing time processing through facility shanga ma those don't to know standards shanga the standards they are supposed to follow in order to package the particular canned products and procedures and standards they were ignored during the process, and therefore the cost of the command and to the particular pack then you go bloat, you go fit buy and go house, then you go bloat. You understand? Some days if it expire, some you go fit open and the taste or the scent will go come from inside. No, you go they wonder, Charlie, is this Tasty Tom? The lapses at the manufacturing plant affected the integrity of the canned products by compromising the sealing mechanism, leading to contamination and bloating of the products in pouches. Mold was found on some of them, raising serious health and safety concerns. Hence, the suspension and product recall, particularly because Nutri-Foods had earlier in January 2025 been buried from manufacturing the product. As I explained earlier on, you see most of these particular purchases that they mentioned in their what they call their press release, that you go fit go buy them for the market instead, then you go see Charlie, this one check, like I say them just rip you off your money because you go buy them, then you want use some, you know, go fit use some. You understand? Then you go see say it go shadow expand. So if you buy one way the is expand, you don't think it what do you call it? Them do chow put inside. Get permanently then it has spoiled, it has gone bad. You don't have to use it. Don't kunye shambalama. Yes. So moving on to the third badge of the message. The authority advised customers, retailers, and wholesalers to take note of this directive and act accordingly. We will continue to exercise righteous oversight in accordance with our mandate to protect public health and safety. For any further information regarding this publication, contact the FDA on the contacts below. Don't go near Shambalama. Yes, so they are saying that if you have already bought Lalab in stock, you have them in stock. Karibia shito and Asian magia na man, iba marishito. Madinin ka pun mal tasty tom. Karibia la store ne ka kuharle. Na akpang mga kazang lenchang the nearest FDA office, anasa distribution or Lala particular tasty tom, maybe distribution center. You should send it there. Take it back there right now so that then maybe you go get your money back or something. I don't know. But according to FDA official press release, if you are in possession of a particular product, you be suspended manufacturing license. You should make sure that you don't use them, you don't consume them, because at this point, they are considered not of standard. Yes, they are considered not of standard. So therefore, you should try your possible best and take them back to the nearest distribution center in order for them to be able to check them very well, so that they are good enough for your consumption. I actually like a particular post, but they made this particular post on X. I actually like a post and you see that there have been several concerns. People are asking, so as you say, we for sure they use tasty tom. What about we combine? You understand? Where the FDA episode they for return them. If you get them there, if you know say you buy tasty tom over the week, and I said before this particular press release, I could tell in stock, yeah. You should try your possible best and return them to the nearest distribution center so that they will be able to rectify a particular program, a particular problem. My name is Akol Masuri. The story did ground, and as it did ground, I laid a particular issue. I don't go on. The chairman cut in your book become and the system man, because it has gotten to a point whereby you go and buy stuff that at the end of the day you feel like, yeah, this is not value for money, and this is not the Ghana we know. The Ghana we know, you unless you be circle guy. Circle for Ghana here, if you buy A, you forget A. No be now if you buy A, go they get B. No. Unless you go buy for circle. Don't kunye shambala. My name is Akol Masuri and you're watching Hype TV GH. If you're watching for the first time, do well and subscribe and give my video a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Don't kunye shambala in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Akol Masuri. As I always tell you, they just don't quit. It gets lit. Subscribe.